It's a big fish though, jeez. It's a big old fish. What's catching, guys? Welcome back to another video of JTH Outdoors. And the beginning of this video is not going to be about fishing. I am about to put some minerals out on my hunting spot. So I'm going to show y'all how I do that, and then we're going to get into some smallmouth fishing back a creek. So let's get into the video, y'all. All right, first off, I'm going to put a little deer cane down. Now right here is where I always keep my corn at, which I'm not going to make my little mineral site here, but I want to put this down here because the deer know to come here. So I'm going to put some of this out. It's going to rain tonight. It's going to be perfect. But we're going to put that out right there. And right there is where I normally set up my camera when it comes to getting close to season. Alright guys, so here's my Moultrie Mobile, the X series, and I've been running these for 3 years now. Alright guys, we got some deer cane there, we got some of this Purina mineral mix for deer. We got our camera set up right there, so it's gonna have both these. We got that's coming up there's all kinds of trails. This is where I'm hunting, and my stand normally goes up there. And this is last year, this is my first season hunting this spot, early season. So last year I never got to see any velvet pictures of any bucks. I got permission from a buddy of mine, and I shot a pretty good 10 point off of this, so I'm looking forward to it this year. We'll see what the season does, and you never know, by September 1st we might be out here shooting a big velvet. Alright guys, it took me about an hour to get down here. Look at that pretty waterfall up there. I mean, it just can't get better than this. Alright guys, switched over to a Ned rig. Finally got one. Not a monster. It's a fish though. That's pretty cool. He's a little guy, but we'll take it. Saw that there's a big rock boulder out there, and this little guy came up and smoked it. Thanks, bud. Got one. Oh, big old rock bass. I mean, look at these things, man. That's a big old rock bass. It's pretty. Oh my God. Guys, that was a big one. Oh. Got him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Even when the water's clear, I normally just use Ned rigs down here. There's a lot of weird water bugs and stuff in these waters, and I couldn't tell you how many smallmouth I've caught on a Ned rig. There he is. Whew. Stud. Well, 2 smallmouth. Yep, that's a good one. Good rain. Try and get under his tree. Woo! And not fall. Rock bass. Finally. See, I knew about this spot. I've been to this spot right here. Something picked it up. Oh, got a big one. What is this? What the heck? No way. What is this? not wanting to come up. Probably another drum. I think it's not a drum. It's a big fish though, jeez. It's a big old fish. No, don't go downstream. Come on. Oh, is that a flathead? It's a catfish. Oh, it's a big channel cat. Oh man. Nice. Get up here, big boy. Oh no. Oh no. Never caught a catfish in here. That's a nice male channel cat. Oh, get in here. Jeez, that's awesome. It's right there. What a nice fish. Well guys, tell you what, that ain't too bad. Nice channel cat. I mean, I never expected to catch a channel cat in here. I'll tell you what guys, I just bought these new Barstool Sports and Barstool Outdoors Shady Rays collaboration sunglasses, and I'm loving them so far. They're stylish. I think they look good, and they're nice and comfortable, and they're super light. Not just telling y'all about them because I got them free. I actually bought these, and I use my own discount code JTH30. You get 30% off your order, so y'all can check that out if you want. Yoink. Smalley. Felt him smoke it. Not bad. He's chunky. Look at that, guys. Thanks, bud. Boys, this is a big Smalley, I think. I didn't even realize I was filming either. He ate it on, no, what is that? Big drum? Big drum. He ate it on the reel up. Dude, I thought the way when I hooked him, the way he slapped the water, I thought it was gonna be a big old smallmouth. It's cool though. Thanks, bud. There's one, little smallmouth. Pretty. It's real dark. Thanks, bud. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Had a lot of fun out there. Sorry for this noise. I'm going to show you all this pretty waterfall. But I'm going to get out of here, go catch or hike back. And if you like the sunglasses, go to shadyrays.com, 30% off, code JTH30. So yeah, y'all, we had fun. Keep catching. See ya.